So good morning to all of you. In this video, I am going to discuss about antineoplastic drugs or anti-cancer agents. So under classification of antineoplastic agents, you will find number of classes of drugs are there. Well known first is alkylating agents. In alkylating agents, there are various categories. In alkylating agents, there is a nitrogen mustard, nitrogen mustards, and drugs under this one is meclorithamine, cyclophosphamide, melphalan, chlorombucil. So these are the various drugs under nitrogen mustard. Another categories under alkylating agents is ethylenimines, and drugs under this category is thiotepa. Another drug is hexamethyl melamine, hexamethyl melamine. So this is under two nitrogen mustard, ethylene amines. There are another drugs under alkylating agents is alkyl sulfonate, and alkyl sulfonate drug is busulfan. Another is there nitrosourea, and in nitrosourea drugs are carmustine, lomustine. These are the drugs. Another is there is also triazines are also under alkylating agents like procarbazine, dicarbazine. So these are all the drugs which are under alkylating agents, and these, as you know, anti-cancer drugs has various side effects, and these alkylating drugs are acting on resting as well as on dividing cells. And how they shows their actions, these alkylating agents, how they are showing their actions. I'm just going to little brief you mechanism of actions of these alkylating agents. These alkylating agents, any alkylating agents crosses the cell membrane. Alkylating agents cross the cell membranes, and inside the cells they produce carbonium ion, that is a C positive, and this carbonium ion is highly reactive, right? And this they transfer the alkyl group. Transfer of alkyl group will happen. Transfer alkyl group to cellular macromolecules, to cellular macromolecules. Particularly, it's this alkyl group is attached with the nucleophilic sites on DNA bases. Nucleophilic site on DNA bases. And if you see in much more details, these alkylating agents particularly alkylate nucleophilic groups on the DNA bases, particularly N7 of guanine. N7 position of guanine is a nucleotide base, and these all things will result in abnormal base pairing, and ultimately results in inhibitions of DNA synthesis. Inhibitions of DNA synthesis. So this is a simple mechanism of alkylating agents. Again, I am repeating, these enter inside a cell, produce carbonium ions. These are highly reactive and transfer alkyl group to cellular molecules, particularly nucleophilic sites on DNA bases. Particularly, it alkylate nucleophilic groups N7 of guanines and results in abnormal base pairing and ultimately results in inhibition of DNA synthesis. As I told you, the problem with anti-cancer drug is its ADRs, and ADRs is GIT problems, nausea, vomitings, bone marrow suppressions, and alopecia is also one of the major ADRs with the anti-cancer drugs. And these anti-cancer drugs like these macrolithamine, cyclophosphamide, and hepatic biotransformations convert into aldophosphamide and inhibit the DNA synthesis. Nitrosourea, like your carmustine, lomustines, these drugs are particularly lipid solubles, and because these are the lipid solubles, so they crosses the CNS and useful in the brain tumor. So particularly they are used in the brain tumor. So this is about the but the problem with the nitrosourea is they results in again various ADR like delayed neutropenia. So this is about car alkylating agents. So next drugs, next classification is your well known is platinum compounds. Platinum compounds, and well known platinum compounds is cisplatin, carboplatin, and oxaliplatin. So these are the platinum compounds, and how they are showing the actions. These platinum compounds, how this mechanism of actions of platinum compound is. They also enter inside the cells and produce highly reactive platinum complexes. Highly reactive platinum complexes. How they are with which they are form the complexes? They are form the complexes with the they binds with the N7 position of DNA bases, particularly DNA bases guanine. So they bind and makes a complex, and that complex is highly reactive platinum complex, and this highly reactive platinum complex will results in intra and interstrand cross links, intra and interstrand cross links, and which results in DNA damage and ultimately inhibit the cell proliferations. Inhibit cell proliferation, right? Problems with these platinum, again the ADRs which are associated and ADRs are nausea, vomiting. Nausea, vomiting with anti-cancer agents are serious ADR because their frequency is much more. Although they are non-serious ADRs, but in cancer, due to their frequency, it's severe. Another problems is bone marrow suppressions, actions. These are nephrotoxic, autotoxic, as well as neurotoxicities. These are the problems with the platinum compounds and their mechanism of actions. Next drugs are antimetabolites. So just going to so in next videos I will going to discuss about other drugs like antimetabolites, natural products, hormones, or miscellaneous drugs. Thank you.